On this exercise, we are working on the second phase of the Queda de Rins. So I strongly suggest that you are comfortable with the drill number 1 before you try to attempt this. Let's take a look on how we're going to progress. So as we know, we're going to lean on our elbow. So our wrist has to be in line with our elbow. So as we did on the drill 1, but we did against the wall. Now we're going straight to the floor. So I'm going to be staying on my toes here. And at the beginning, I'm going to just lean until I touch the side of my body on the top of my elbow. I don't need to go all the way over at the moment. Let's just understand the step if this is the first time you're doing it on the floor. So don't go so far into the floor. So just touch the elbow on the side of your body and then come back. The weight is supported through my both hands and my toes. As you can see, most of the weight will be on my toes at this first stage. The more you practice, now we're going to try to keep leaning forward. It's almost like if your hip is going slightly up, but not high enough that you remove your weight from the elbow. So I'm always on top of my elbow, but now my head is going to be further in towards the ground, so I can touch my head on the ground. This is the idea of this drill. So make sure you practice this until it's comfortable for you to bring your head all the way down to the floor, but still having some weight on your toes. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.